A clogged extruder, that's a very worst kind. We're working on the Flashforge Creator 5 Pro, but this also works on the regular Creator 5. First, if you have the Pro, remove the cover. We need to get to the extruder in question. It's very easy to take off the extruder. Just find the one that has the clog and pull it off of the little slides that it rests on. You're going to need a size 2 Allen wrench, which is 2 millimeters. If you only have the Imperial, that would be 5/64 of an inch. On the extruder here, you have this lever, and if you push it in, it will cut the filament if it's not already removed. It also helps you feed it in. So cut the filament, and then remove this blue plastic tab, and then push the black ring down, and that will allow the feeding line to come out of the extruder. Then use the size 2 Allen wrench to remove the 2 screws and unplug the cord. The extruder has 5 screws on the front and 1 screw on the side right up by the lever. Then you can open the assembly, and depending on what you need to fix, my one piece of filament came out immediately as soon as I opened it. You can remove this screw that holds the lever in place, and then you can just take that whole cutting unit out. It's got a spring that can come loose. So inspect it, see what filament needs to come out. If you pull down, you can take the hot end off, and that is where my filament was broken off inside, and I just got a pin and eventually pulled it out just like that, and that solved the problem. There was some melted filament on the tip that I scraped off carefully. This is a delicate piece, and after inspection I put it back together. So what causes this? There's so many reasons why a printer will clog. Bad filament, old filament, high humidity filament. You can also have the wrong temperature set. Even if you use like ABS, PLA, PETG, and then some fiber type specialty filaments, all in the same extruder and hot end, that can cause problems as well. Flashforge's manual actually says once you start using an extruder or a hot end for a specific material, just designate that for your PLA hot end or your PLA extruder, so that you don't shorten the lifespan or cause the temperature fluctuations with different materials over time will cause problems. So I thought that was interesting, but that's actually in the manual. So once you take care of the clog, you can put the whole thing together. But that is how you take apart, clear, and reassemble your extruder for the Flashforge Creator 5. I'm going to be doing some more 3D printing videos specifically on the Creator 5. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you want more videos like this, click subscribe. I also have some links to some products in the description. Thanks.